Is your roof leaking? Roof leaks can be frustrating and expensive. You are probably experiencing one of these most common causes of roof leaks: missing shingles or damaged shingles, loose flashings, deteriorated boot flashings, rusty furnace stacks, damaged skylight flashings, or improperly nailed shingles. At Roof Revivers, we specialize in repairing and maintaining all roofing components, with a thorough 19-point roof inspection to help you avoid these roof problems. We are Roof Revivers. Bob Vila sums it up best: inspect the roof routinely, clean it periodically as needed, and make minor repairs in a timely way, and you can greatly extend the roof's lifespan. Call us today for your free 19-point roof inspection at 614-300-2133. That's 614-300-2133.